చెప్తున్నా. I request all our minority Telangana population to support me in my step that I am going to take now. We are going to form a political party in this state. It will definitely create a lot of space for people who wanted to work in a democratic front, people who wanted to work in a democratic forum. The party BRS, which we thought was our own party, our own Telangana People's Party, has betrayed us in number of issues. It has not fulfilled our aspirations. We need to work towards fulfilling our aspirations. BRS party has spent about 1.89 lakh crores on irrigation in the last 10 years, but not even one new acre has come into farming today. So in many aspects BRS has failed us. More than anything, we wanted to work for our self-respect. BRS has failed the people who have worked for the achievement of state. So I urge the people of Telangana that I am going to take a step forward. I am going to form a political party in Telangana. Kindly support me, kindly empower me. By empowering Telangana Jagruti, you will be empowering the people of Telangana. You will be working towards the goals that are left unfulfilled by the BRS party. We will work towards a bright future.